Milo TV, body bim, body bim, body bim. Yeah.
Milo TV GH Toronto, Canada. Body bin, body boom, body bim. Ear.
Alright, abusing for Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe. So now first time we are like now if you comment now if you watch share. By way of introduction, me the Prince Kojiteri. I'm a YouTuber, Toronto, Canada, and my latest news if immigration homes and summer and ne yabon do boa do na PBAT na HSA Bill C2 officially omo enyin to and I say men can say enya royal assent yes. Say Canada for can be say be royal assent na say something that they've proposed and as someone aka be to why ne oma je to monya royal assent sanity but then Bill C2 no onya royal assent afi eno na chi no say kamia kwa say nipa bebere work permit wu omo renew Canada ban say herabasa on renew ebi mo nso eco school omo time so omunya extension Canada ban say debi eno no say kobasa na mpacho a red flag say obefa etwiri no wo seek asylum enti mo ni na ho asylum seeking has gotten to do with obia somebody and their life is in danger. Yes, nipa bia na life is in what danger. Eno kra na nyame na me ka hye obia no se wo ya no ofiri se okosan go back to his or her country ne bia enkeka wa bi ne ntawantawo bi wo ho a eno ena so okọ na one Canada aban ekotena sedi nkomo no de tu nanim se de ekoso ewo minchini nti basa Canada aban bejo ma work permit was started from day one na was started formalities na no sa ene Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe to Milo TV. We are like no comment no share. If you want story be opese oni ye share. Do not hesitate. Reach out to me at 416-909-1100. 416-909-1100. Na ye ntwetwe nkomo. Ayi Milo TV. Bari bim, bari boom, bari bem. Yeah. Abusua for na nim senka wuwo ne kunkum no etuotwa. Yes, the ne nim no. But ye da sorry ya. Asem bi esi. Na obehwe a ye nua baabi a ye friend Mami you, Sister Eunice Jonfo. Wodi mfinhie aduasa 30 years. Bia owo eye New Jersey, USA. Nanu na sister yi oyobi a oye adwuma wo council of course was sign eji ewo nyame mu anase oji nyame die pa enti asori sem ne ade ewo yenua bayi mu a asori de onfani agro aside na adwuma no asori ene ode aye hobby one wo maame one ne family ene tie na ye sister yi na modem bo ene de wo ye nti nyame dom no ema wonya brante bi ofri Nigeria eware na chese efekeke enti ye sister na me kana sem no ono ena ne mfonyi eda camera nanim no Eunice Jonfo ni picture ena da ho no se wo hwe Mami you eno no o ha wi ento aso yes oye Ghana ni New Jersey ena watena one na busuafo obo ne bra kakra na ye bibi sister ye kwa adwuma ena obaye oduye se kwa adwuma na obedu fia obe park wo car na wosi urefia ope enso bi ahyawa pe bibia dina wa plan it for the next day na yes sister yi park in the car when see Africa no mukra ena brante bi ase o act movie a brante ne friend of Rashid Ali Binom wodi mfinhia aduasa ba ko 31 years ena brante ne twe tuo and the to say Chuck Norris Delta Force back no was spray ye nua ba no imagine sister ya bossy belt o ye bi enye ye nti bullet ne kokko no so my goodness Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Hey Assembly si February 1st 2023 na de ama ye hye mu kana nyina ne say abrante na odi sa nyampana de no owie odwane ye police enya na chi no omde ne kotu jail ene wa jail in 64 years or call life imprisonment. Imagine so obi edi 31 na or 64 kikabom ne ehwe ade ne mom asemi edion asem meka se yenua bai woye oba bia nansen ya enche bia kra na memfa ne se okoware ye wonya latani bia wone no chese omo ware aware piesie okay yenhwe aware ne pictures ne bi time omo koware ye no pictures ne bi na wo camera nanim no. You see the sister, how beautiful she is, and the husband, your friend, the husband, your friend Eze, in Nigeria, Eze Ken, yes, or no. But then, the only say, Asamba say ya own, Obetanasa na oka, I was so shimukena, I was so bomuntonto, I was so many pebi eti asie ye, no muhu the echo. Sansa asemoi ansi ewo baby bia etisa America omo 50 states ade abechi bia nipa more than 50 enewu etututu basa na ekoko okoso ewo America hono enti ama aya na ahohu yie pa eti na kakra ene yede ebe namum yankɔ America ho na yankɔchi asem no nkyiremu emra asem no nkyiremu no abusiafo eni.
Breaking news today out of New Jersey, where a councilwoman was shot to death. Sayreville police say Eunice Dwumfor was sitting in her car when it happened last night. The suspect still out there. Let's get straight to Ashley Rodriguez, who's live in Sayreville with the very latest. Ashley, what do we know here?
Well, Chris, the big question on everyone's mind is who would want Eunice Dwumfor dead? People describe her as a very kind, public servant, beautiful person. She not only was a councilwoman, she was a part-time EMT, she was also a director of churches. And the people I spoke to today say they felt like this was targeted. Let me just show you what they told me happened yesterday at 7:30. They say she was coming home from work, coming down this hill behind me in her SUV. She lives in this apartment complex on the 3rd floor, probably about to park her car when out of nowhere someone comes out and opens fire, shooting her 13 times through her car window. Obviously wounded, she loses control of the car and it continues to roll down that hill, slamming into that Mercedes-Benz. And that's when Sayreville police were called to the scene. They say they got a 911 call after someone reported shots fired. Now, I am at the Camelot at Lemur apartment complex. These are luxury apartments in the Samuel Circle area. That's in the Parlin section of Sayreville. When police arrived, they said they saw Dwumfor sitting inside her SUV, dead, multiple gunshot wounds to her torso. Police working through the night are still searching for her killer at this hour. Now, the community and her family absolutely stunned by this tragedy, desperate to learn the motive behind the murder. Again, the people I spoke to say the shooting did not feel like a domestic dispute, but more like a hit.
Everybody else, all I heard was the gunshots. Like 5 and then pause and then 5 more. It was like, I can't even, it was like, poof, 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 poof. I'm like, they didn't get it done or something, and they did it again.
I hope they find.
Na die si no sister no nim bonea na ode aye abranti na de na ha adwen sa abranti tutu ni wi o tutu bo sister no o wi no den no sa no den ho kan rua, but you can run, you cannot hide. America for kasa no wo ye den obetimi dwane na untimi mfa wo ho nsi ti omurewre mu a ekochi abranti a wo friend Rashid Ali Binom 31 years. Now ayana sometimes I sit down and ask myself, say, edi adwen ne bani pebi trimo. Say what load bullets. No what me shoot obi. Say boni ben na opesista no. Say na oye den yo boy you te ho te court ho. And if you want to see the guy in the picture and so ni you would this anyam prade no wudini no the picture any such a very bad example. Na unim asem we on a very bad pa yenua ba Eunice Dwumfor okunu ya na bibia ba na wie no, of course ofunu ye den ya obekwa amenam ombepi omo last respect omo wie no meka se omo man more or less to say New Jersey wono omo man more or less to say state barrier. Yes, of course empanyimfo no to musi ho nam so ye adwuma e council entino omuto omusi ho emma no proper barrier a moto ni ade ni pedi akiri Ghana fo a wo New Jersey ni ade nyina obia enso ye den atwi tonto ekodi akyire ehwe ama omo ekra ye nua bai na chi kra ewo ensem ben ena siye Judge Joseph Payne ensem okai no ye ni nyina beba na mum yenko na yenko hwe time a omo ekosi ye nua ba.
It's a nice parade. Oh, thank you, sir.
Check us out on Instagram.
All right. Thank you. All right. Have a good one.
Okay, na chese obehwe a time a na omo ekuja enuaba na kwan eno no ha dwen yi beden state ni so original se omo abepi omo last respect e de aboa enti sesei sister no wato nananom omo ye bibia wi omo pe omo last respect omo aye me fanse ne virgin ne bibia akusie no enti omo baaye no on se me ka che o se boy no odwane ye Rashid Ali udwane de boy na okun sister no udwane ena omo chi no nti omo de ne tomu a enrada na omo koyi no na omo de ne court na court ho no ena court no e friend Middlesex County Superior Court e wo New Jersey ho no omo koyi na no ena prosecutor wo friend no Dollinger V Dollinger e kire se 16 round ammunition na nekuta boy no na ehu yi pa o ma boy no hu eye obia nwa like na they have no idea as to one where we need to ni free kwan of us or two no so yeden ebo sister no na no na won komra Judge of friend Joseph Payne se Payne no so Judge Joseph tenase na ohwe abrante ne soro ne fam so but then asem ne si nyina na Mami Eunice Dwomfo no o mami ne kunu o papa ne sisters ne sister baako o friend Priscilla Dwomfo ono na o ye very bitter enti na omo de ensem omo ka nyina ne say omo hia justice of course enra ko hedi si court ho enti judge no my friend Joseph Payne o sorry ya and o say e wo Portsmouth o sorry ya no say Abrantie bonina wudi ye no ukodam emfinhia aduesia and 64 years ndi fa 31 ka ho ne yenko yenim now momi yenko court ho na yenkutie ensema ekoso sanse sister Eunice Dwomfo maame kasai ni sister kasai ni kunu kasai video nini
side window of a completely defenseless woman who had nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. Because she was seatbelted into her driver's seat in her car.
Bynum was arrested 4 months later. He was found guilty in June, as punishment coming down today.
The defendant is committed to the custody of the Commissioner of the Department of Corrections for life.
Jennifer's loved ones filled one side of the courtroom, most in t-shirts bearing her picture, clapping at the sentence handed down to her killer. Life in prison.
We got a justice. I'm so happy, and I know Eunice is happy. I lost a beautiful wife, It's really frustrating. I don't pray for anybody to go through what I'm going through.
Okay, say Okoyaba, not just say the see yet, and no court no over here, Priscilla John 4, can't be your boy, or say your mother should be disgraced. Hey, yes, you can't say more, and a mammy, Mary John 4, our year, Sister Eunice, in a John 4, mammy, or sorry, no, say the end thing you say, Omonia justice. You can say you justice, and let you say, the year you say, I was Omoya Mayano. Of course. Abusian for na chese ene video ya de bremo no. This guy Rashid Ali watrashie watraboda. Aya de ensem fata. Ame empanation. So watwe tu watu aboyi nue bai. Na nya ba ko nya mienu nya miensa nya na nya num chese prr ti say Chuck Norris kuta tu gaga first blood. And easy. Abusian for NBC and Ghana for one New Jersey, Portsmouth, precisely. Munina Yamamu Yako. Titu, Mame Mary John 4 and then Kuno. As a king and a Ninuaba Priscilla John 4. Edamasi, should be a no new be a Comaswadi, Milo TV, Barry Beam. TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos, comment, and then share. Barry Beam, Barry Boom, Barry Ben.